Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're watching Monotech and this is AI Masterclass Day 1. I'm assuming that you already know what AI is and what are its capabilities. In today's video, we are going to install Docker and N8N, both the tools which can help you out to start your first AI agent on your localhost machine. So let's get started. First of all, open any browser which we are using as of now. So I'm using Chrome. So I open that and write Docker. So open the first link which is there on the search engine. This is the official page of Docker website. You can see that it can help you to develop agents and application, of course. Now you need to go and press get started. Once you do that, there is a new page which gets open up and you can see download Docker desktop. As of now, I'm using Windows. That is why I'll click on AMD 64. Downloading will now start. And once it will download it, you will be able to use Docker. It will take 1 or 2 minutes based on your internet connection. Downloading is now done, and now you can go to downloads folder and go to programs. You would be able to see Docker desktop. Double click on it so that you can open it. Now it will ask for the permission. You need to give yes for this permission. Click yes. Now the configuration menu will open up. You need to click on OK, and now the Docker desktop installation has been started, as you can see. Now it is done. Click close and restart. Says it will ask you to restart your laptop or computer, so you would have to restart once the Docker installation is completed. Now I have restarted my laptop. You can see Docker desktop is available on the desktop itself. Double click on this so that you can open the application. This will ask for the service level agreement. You need to accept it so that you can start using Docker on your localhost machine. Now it is asking me for a survey so that you can give more information that why do you want to use Docker. As of now, I'm using for demo. That's why I'm saying that I'm not using for commercial purposes. And I'll skip this. This is the main screen of Docker. On the right hand side of the window. Now you need to write Docker pull n8nio/n8n. And now click enter. Now you can see Docker image has been pulling on your local host machine, and it will take some time to get downloaded. The image is now pulled and it is available on our local host. Now we will add volume to this image. Volume works as a database where you can save all the data which you have been working on. So I am just writing a random name n8n data and click on create so that the volume can be created and it will be linked to that image which we have downloaded. You can see n8n data volume has been created. Now we'll go to container. You can see the container has nothing, but the image is still there. So click on the image. Open the image and click on this play icon. Now it will ask you some questions and some permissions also. Click on optional setting. Here you can give any name to your container. So I can say anytin container. As you can see, 5678 is the default path which anytin is taking on your local host. So I'm just writing the same 5678. Volume, please make sure that you are using the same volume which you have created just now. So I created n8 in data, that's why I'm writing n8 in data. And in terms of the path, you need to be very much sure the path would be slash home slash node slash dot n8n. This is the path where the n8n file would be saved on your localhost Windows machine. And after that, we can run this container. Windows will ask you some permissions, click allow, and now the container is been started. Yes, as you can see, the container is now started on localhost 5678, which is the same port which we have given while installing the container. Now this is the first and major screen of N18 where you would need to enter your personal details like email address, phone number, first name and last name, not phone number, just password and first name and last name. Now we need to click on next. You can also check the icon if you want the security update. Since I do not want any security updates, I'm not checking that icon. I'm just clicking on next. Now N10 is asking you to customize this instance. That's why it is asking you some questions. You can answer based on your personal recommendations. As of now, since I am doing not for work, I'm just trying to teach N10. That's why I said not for work. And in the source, I can select YouTube and now continue. You'll also get free uh, features of N10. If you click on this, you will get a key on your email address which you have entered in the very start. So this is why it is important that you add exactly the correct email address on the very start. As of now, I'm skipping this, but in case you want to know that how you can get those features, you would have get a license key on your email address, and then after that you can add that key on anything instance. So you need to go inside the settings. You can see on the left hand side there are three dots. Click on that settings, and in usage and plan you can see enter activation key. So I clicked on that and now I can add my key. I'm not doing it now because I have already done on my personal instance, and this is my demo instance. That's why I'm not doing it. But if case you are using it for personal use, you can add this and you will get the benefit for free for all the paid features which N18 is giving on the local host. Now you can see welcome Monotech, and it is giving me two options: start from the scratch and test a simple AI agent. As of now, do not have any AI agent key for this session. That's why I'll just click on start from the scratch so that I can just have one demo task workflow for this session. Click on the start from the scratch. Now click plus. The canvas is now open. I'm selecting a trigger which is trigger manually. This would be the starting point of our workflow. Now click on plus, and maybe I'll select data transformation, I think. Since as of now we are not working on actual agents in this session, so I want to show you the output on the click of this button. So let's select date and time and choose get current date. Yes. So now it is done. Go to canvas back and now click on execute workflow. Now you can see the workflow executed successfully, so we don't have any issue. Now click on date and time attribute log, and you can see it is showing me the output current date and time, which is exactly we were expecting this workflow to be doing. So you can see on a click of a button, it is actually performing an action. As of now, we have chosen a sample option of showing date and time, but eventually in the next video, we will be showing that how we can add multiple agents and workflows. I hope this session was clear to you. Now you have understood how to install N8N with the help of Docker on your localhost machine. If you have any questions or suggestion, or is there any part which is not clear to you, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help you out.